everybody, it's Neil, and today I want to show you guys this B-hyve smart Wi-Fi faucet timer. And the way it works is it comes with this, the faucet controller, and then it comes with this little Wi-Fi remote thingy that lets you connect it up to your automation system. I have mine hooked up to the HomeKit. I already opened it. Let's see if I don't think there's anything left in the box. No, nothing left in the box except for the instructions. But I'm going to show you guys how this works. I have it set up right over here. In here for right now. And so the way it works, and what I liked about this one here is I had gotten a different one and it sucked because the little contraption in there was made out of plastic, and so it just kept falling off of my faucet. So here, I'll just show you how easy it is to connect up here. I just have a faucet here. Make sure it's hooked up to the hose, hooked up to that. And basically that's almost it. So I've got to tighten it up here so it's tight. And then I'll turn it on. And now it's on. Oh. So you can't hear anything because it's not on, but then when it turns on, this here just clicks on, and the way it works is there's a battery right in here. It just takes a couple of AA batteries to make it work, so it's super easy. And then I'll show you what I did over here on the outside of the house. You might be able to see it in there. Oops. A little contraption. I just have it hanging up on the outside. It's under a patio, so it's not going to get wet or anything like that. And then I hooked it up to the HomeKit and everything, and so it works great. It's got its own little app, so you need to use its app first to connect everything up, and then I actually used like HomeBridge and HomeKit to connect everything up, but it works awesome. So this B-hyve, I'm giving this thing a total thumbs up. Works awesome. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks, bye.